Okay.
P for puppy.
Okay, and who is that?
Police.
Okay. And what is this?
Parrot.
So is it start with the letter P?
Yes.
Okay. And anything else is there?
Postman.
This is postman, okay?
Okay.
And this is parachute.
Mm.
Parachute start with letter P?
Parachute.
Okay. So it also start with letter P.
And plant also.
Plant also. Where is plant?
Here.
No. Pot?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So, how the letter P sound? What is the pet sound? Phonic sound of letter P?
Peacock.
P for peacock. But a P sound. Pa.
P sound. Pa.
Okay.
P for peacock.
P for-
Peacock is a word.
Is a bird, but peacock is also our national bird. Okay.
Yes.
P for what is that?
Parachute.
Parachute help in
Help in
landing.
landing.
P for piano.
P for piano.
Piano is a musical instrument.
Piano is a
Musical instrument.
P for
Postman.
postman.
Postman brings us.
Brings us
What postman brings?
I
What
don't
is
know.
this?
Ambulance.
Envelope letter. Okay, in the envelope the postman gives us letter. Okay, P for what is that?
Pigeon.
Pigeon is a symbol of peace. P for
P for pigeon. Pigeon is piece of peace.
symbol of peace. Okay, what next? P for
P for pineapple has a crown.
crown. And P for
P for pen.
pen is a writing tool. We write with we do the writing with the pen, right?
Yes.
And P for pencil also, right?
P for pencil.
Correct. Okay. So we see the story of some letter of P. So who is that? What is this?
Pia.
Pia, the
Peacock.
peacock, and Pigo,
Peacock. The pigeon.
pigeon are waiting for
P.
P.
But they don't like the pizza.
pizza. They don't like Piggy.
Junky food.
Right, this is junky food. And Piggy the pig.
Piggy and Piggy the pig.
Dressed in
In
pink color drew a
penguin.
penguin. So he had draw a penguin in the copy. Okay, with the pencil.
With the pencil.
Paul the
Parrot.
pats Piggy's back.
Pet Piggy's back.
Okay, so tell me what are the things you have seen in this one with start with letter P? Peacock and pigeon
and pizza
pizza
and peas
okay
and piggy and
pencil very good
and penguin and parrot and piggy
pig
and pig.
and one color also you have seen, right?
Color pink.
Pink. So P for pink.